Alright, we're going to be unboxing the Google Pixel 10 Pro. This is Google's latest flagship phone. This is the Pro model, so this is to compete with like the Galaxy S26 Plus or S25 Plus and like the iPhone 17 Pro. So here we go. The box has this sleeve on it, which in my opinion is a nice design, but as you see, maybe not what you want from your phone's box. Box is color matched to the device. So here we have the cardboard box. This is where the phone should be. So we're gonna open it up. And right here we have the phone. So here it is in that winter green, I believe they call it, color. So here it is. And this was previously open, but still the same experience basically. And here we go. So it's got that nice gold edge, which I really like. Black display, of course. And here's this mint green. Camera lens is like the side, but matte, so it's not glossy, which I like a lot actually. I had a Pixel 8 Pro for a while, and that got scratched within the first weekend that I had it. So in the box we have a Type-C to Type-C cable. This is basically the only real accessory that we're getting here. I'm going to leave this in the box, so I've got plenty of those. And we're going to see what else we got here. We have some documentation for the phone. Let's see what we got. So it looks like this is just kind of your general like support thing. This probably has some regulatory information in it. Basically just everything that you need for you know, legal stuff that Google has to put in there. So here's the phone itself. I also have a case for it that I'm going to put on. Of course it's going to be really dirty, but I don't really care right now. I'll clean it later. This is an OtterBox case. I believe this is the Symmetry Clear. This does have MagSafe built in, which is a really nice feature to have. So I'm going to put this down. We're just going to put the phone's stuff away, so all the packaging material, etc. And we're going to do a little comparison between this phone and some other flagship phones. So again, I'm going to put this to the side. So here's the Pixel 10 Pro. This is the non-XL version next to my iPhone 17 Pro. It's basically the same size. You know, if you're used to the 17 Pro size, you're going to be used to the Pixel size. Screen, just about the same. So now I'm going to compare it to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. A lot more rounded, which I personally do prefer. On the back, we have a different camera placement. So it's basically, you know, like the opposite of the Samsung. And then to end the video off, I'm going to turn this on and we're going to see, oh, it already is on. Okay, well, here it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you get the phone, hopefully you enjoy it. And with that said, goodbye.